So validation allows you to choose only certain options. Now this is quite good for if you're putting in accurate data, so for example grades on a spreadsheet to do your data analysis. So you might by accident do something like that when you should have pressed a B or A or something like that. Now instead of having to do it all manually, what we can do, we can create a drop down menu so you only can choose certain rules. So under cell B4, under my grade heading, I'm going to go to data and then data validation. When I'm here, I want to change the allow from any value to list because I want to have a list to choose from. So I go to list and under my source I put in my possible grades. So A and then comma and a space and then I put the next one in. So B, comma, space C, so on and so forth. D, E, F, U. Now with the input message we can have that as a question. So if I put my mouse over there, it will come up with the questions. If we didn't know what it was about, it gives a little bit of information. So please enter the grade. This is where the grades need to go. If someone tried to type in a grade that doesn't exist, we can come up with an error message. So wrong answer. Please only enter A, B, C, D, E, F, or U. So we have a title, and then if it does come up with a wrong answer, this is the message that will appear. So as soon as I click OK, you'll notice it works because you have a little drop down. Now that only has worked for cell B4. Now you can see there's a green square here. And when I put my mouse over it, the cursor changes. So I'm just going to drag that down. And you'll notice then all of those cells have then got the same validation drop down menus here. If you just put your mouse in the middle cell and drag down, it won't work. You have to put your cursor at the bottom right. So A, D, C. If I try and type in a star, press enter, the error message then comes up that we created a minute ago. So cancel, and then I can put in the correct grade.